सुबह सुबह
While different birds and peacocks sound so sweet in your ears, while foggy, green and enormous mountains look too good for your eyes, what more can you ask for a morning like this?
अरे ले आ रहा हैं अन्ने रात्रि है माटला सामने 4 बजे ಈ ತಲಕ ಇದಾರ ಇಡುಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಲಕ ಪಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರ್ತದೆ Good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. Once again I'm at this place called Muliyanagiri. So where exactly is Muliyanagiri? Actually I couldn't find proper time to vlog since I started from Hyderabad because we were in a hurry to reach this destination. So it's a 12-13 hour journey from Hyderabad. So we are at Chikmagalur right now, and in Chikmagalur we are staying at this place called Muliyanagiri. That's where we are staying. The entire setup, and we camped here since yesterday morning. We cooked our lunch. We had barbecues at night, and that was really nice. We had a great time with my friends, and yeah, a perfect way to start a day and a perfect place to stay. The locals have said that no one has ever stayed at this place. I mean, the people, they come in and just stay here for an hour or so, and they said that nobody ever stayed at this place, and it's really nice. I mean, look at those mountains in the background, enormous. It's a 360-degree view in every side of this place. You'll find a very nice view, and that's where we are staying. And look at the view from there. It's really great, and nature at its best. And my buddies are still sleeping in that tent. They're very lazy now because of this weather. The weather is like 16-17 degrees out here, and it's really pleasant. Wow, thumbs up for this place. Really nice.
While the other fellows were sleeping, me and my friend Balu took a morning walk on the mountains and to the nearby village, which was very small with few houses and few people, and of course, the friendly dogs. Early morning walks are always very nice, especially while you are in the middle of the nature. The sun just came out of the fog, throwing the rays onto the mountains, while the fog was still dancing.
Hey,
We wrapped up our tent and headed to the highest peak in the whole of Karnataka state called Muliyanagiri Peak. But before going to that peak, we need to take a bath. But where? Book a hotel? No. We like to do things in a wild way. So we came to this lake to take the bath. While the water was really cold out there, we still had some fun. We again did a mistake by following Google Maps to reach Muliyanagiri Peak, and on the way we did some fruit picking from the farms, lemonade to be exact. And finally, this is where we end up after following Google Maps, wasting 3 hours of precious time. These routes are doable, but on road cars like Ertiga can't do this off roading stuff, and it was struggling to do these roads. So we headed back to Chikmagalur town and had lunch. Started back to Muliyanagiri peak, but on a main road this time, which was much better. We finally reached the peak of Muliyanagiri, but there's a trekking part involved to reach every mountain peak, and take a look at these steps. It's a long way to go. After reaching the peak, it was a jaw-dropping moment for us. You know, looking at the beautiful mountains. We started our way back to Hyderabad because two of my friends were running out of office leaves. Corporate people, they always mess up the travel plans. So we traveled like 50 kilometers and it was night by then, and we camped near by the village called Kadur and cooked our own food, had our dinner and slept. And the next day morning we wrapped up our tent. Packed our stuff into the car and started our way back to Hyderabad. But this time we didn't follow Google Maps. We asked truck drivers for proper routing, and it really worked. And the proper routing from Hyderabad would be get on to the Bangalore highway, which goes via Nagar, Kurnool, Anantapur, and after crossing Anantapur, after 70 kilometers from Anantapur, you will find one village called Penugonda. So get down the highway at Penugonda. Yeah, this is Penugonda. From there, you travel to Tumakur, and from Tumakur go to Tiptur. From Tiptur go to Banwara, and from Banwara you reach Chikmagalur.